Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing Autoglym's Rapid Aqua Wax. Bit of a mouthful. The wax does get the ultimate test as the ovens opened. See the result later on in the video on how the wax coped. But what I need to do before I actually apply this is to actually prep the car. So let's go and get that bit done first. Okay, so we've now prepped the car, ready for the wax. But before we wax it, let me explain what you get in the package. Okay, so this is what you get in the package. You obviously get the Rapid Aqua Wax, which is squibbed on, and you get 2 microfiber cloths. Now the first microfiber cloth, what you do is after you've squibbed it onto your damp car, you actually spread it with the first cloth. The second cloth then is used to actually buff the wax up to a shine. But before we do that, I think we've got time for a bit of pork pie. Well, you can't beat a bit of pork pie, and my dog loves it as well. Anyway, let's get on with the waxing. Okay, the wax is on and I know what you're saying. What's the result like? Well, let's take a look. Before I put the wax on, I had to prep the car first. So I washed her in Autoglym foaming car wash. After doing that, I then had to rinse the car off. After shaking the wax spray a few times, I sprayed on a few squibs, and with the first microfiber cloth I spread the wax onto the panel. I then took the second microfiber cloth and then polished the panel to a shine. After doing all of the car, she came out really well, with a very nice shine all over. What I thought would be a good test, I actually enrolled the wife to tip some water on the bonnet just to see how well it beaded. I needn't have bothered because 10 minutes later this happened. As you can see, the heavens opened, but once it stopped I nipped outside to see how well it had beaded. Okay, so what score shall I give Autoglym's Rapid Aqua Wax? Well, it's definitely easy to use and I think it's ideal for using it between waxing stages. So obviously that will keep the wax up on your car. I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. What's your thoughts? Have you used it? If you have, let me know in the comments. That's it for this video, but please can you like and subscribe to the channel? That will obviously make the channel grow. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.